Hello everyone, welcome. In this video I will talking about how you can successful in YouTube, how you can get a successful channel YouTube. It's easy to make successful channel in YouTube, but just you can follow up these things I talking about. First one, it's to make high CPM niche to get more dollars in your AdSense, and to get more money in YouTube. Uh, what Why not making cash cow channel without showing your face, like a faceless channel, to be successful in YouTube. Secret, it's be patient, just be patient, and uploading more video. Keep going, uploading video. Don't worry about results come after, after you're working and working hard in your channel, and to be successful, making CEO in your, any YouTube or any video uploading in your channel YouTube. Make for him SEO. What is SEO? It's to make keywords, high CPM keywords, and looking for high searching keywords. Make him in the beginning of any video you uploading, talking about him, and tell the keywords in the beginning of your video, and make him in title and description and tags. Secondly, you can making just make attractive thumbnail. Make attractive thumbnail, because the thumbnail it's 19% for your video, because thumbnail it's a face of your video, and make him attracting to attractive more views and more traffic to your video, and showing and watching your video. In your video you have a lot of ads, then you can earn more dollars. This is the secret of YouTube. SEO and the thumbnail, and talking about your keywords, high CPM. This is and be patient, and consistently uploading video. This is all the secret of your success in YouTube. If you don't patient, you don't have any results, and you cannot continue in uploading video in your channel. Thank you so much. And if you like this short important information, make like and subscribe to this channel to make more idea, and to give you more advice in how you can monetize your channel and earning money and make passive income, and make money online. Thank you so much.